Hey everybody, this week, Recurrant. It's a fairly straightforward sour beer for us. It's basically just featuring the black currant. We loved it so much when it came out as part of that series. It was definitely one of our fan favorites, one of my personal favorites that we've produced. I think black currants are just a perfect fruit for working with in sour beer. I think one of the reasons it works so well is because when you're talking about wine, when you're talking about, cab, which is probably one of the larger wine varietals produced out there, black currant's obviously a descriptor that's used in that a lot. So for us, it is a lot of marriage happening between wine and beer with this beer. It's 7.6% alcohol. We try to always use first use oak barrels, and usually French oak. By that meaning those are freshly empty barrels from the winery. So we're getting a little extra of that wine character in the beer. So anyways, just as you can see, beautiful deep red color. Not to look exactly like a wine, but wanting to have that kind of character. A nice little haze from the pectin there. Again, a lot of fruit used in this beer, a lot of tannin to it. Those nice Brett components are there, but I mean the big overwhelming ones is the oak. You're getting that oak tannin, a little bit of almost like a fresh lemon character, and then all that big black currant berry. There's a leatheriness to it, a kind of a deep, rich fruit. And then that nice blend of oak and berry that is, I think, indicative of wine. So again, when you drink this, it really does get probably as close to wine as anything we produce. So I think this is going to be a great one for those wine drinkers. Excellent for you guys in the sales team and all of our distributors. Please get this on bottle lists at restaurants. I think this will be amazing as far as pairing with anything you'd pair a red wine with. I think the chefs will love this beer. It's a beer that we love a lot. We took the time to produce a very colorful label for it that I really like a lot. And this beer will be produced 3 times a year, producing 2 to 3 blends a year. So hopefully this is something we'll see semi-regularly. It's a fan favorite, it's a personal favorite of mine, and a beer we're super excited about sharing. So cheers, guys.